Weer my hoop soos 'n nommer in die mangen. Maar my kiel is hard soos die krag in Oespan. En jylle poon vir 'n kroon, maar as fokkel in die pannen. Roos met my top down, low en even saam met top tier van geboorte af. As ek slide van meer as 10 skote af. Jylle koop en ek rook van my bome af.
Sy kwaan is terug, toen nie sit my way kwaan is terug. Sy kan nie vreet nie, hoe nie doe bek as jy nie van het weet nie. Vra hulle niks, sal jy nog sy graad met die same braas wat ek saam van stoot fokkel geheer het. Same taak op die selwe mission, allemaal change bra en ek hoop jy besef het.
Yo, Six,
You know what it is.
this you?
It's YOG, baby. You know what it is. Yeah, I'm flying real high, ain't no ceilings in my zone. The name is YOG, and I'm carving my own throne. In the boot, I'm a beast, you can try and resist. Got the game on lock, like a vault with the key. In this industry jungle, I'm like a Tarzan with the swing. Bleeding flames like a dragon with the swagger so clean. Every rhyme is like a diamond, pure platinum and gold. Yeah, I'm riding through the city with my mind on the price. Niggas trying to check me off like a crown jewel. But I'm always on my grind, never playing the fool. Yes, I always see the shine, never saying the road. Truth be told, man, damn, young niggas be shallow. Every move is calculated, got no time for these gimmicks. Yeah, they watching every step, trying to catch our limits. But we going real beyond and we standing on business. Every line's a masterpiece, a Mona Lisa in a game. I'm Picasso with a pen, I'm painting pictures with my words. I'm from the trip where young niggas can't hear. This shit is easy like A, B, and C. I make this look easy like Schumacher on a drift. Yeah, my face is arrogant, then my log Joe's like a pit. This is the revenge of the dreamers, we don't want no peace. From the bottom where we started, now we on the trenches. Ain't no substitute, down niggas being on the bench. Yeah.
Yo, it's D-Dog the GOAT, and we're back here with another banger for the books, and we got no one other than Jody Man and Starboy Freaks. Summertime, the official music video that just dropped today, fucking not so long ago, like,
No more saying cuss words, guys. It's inappropriate and violent.
past 12, it just dropped, 12 o'clock, literally on the dot it dropped. Not past 12, what the shit am I talking about?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
12 o'clock this thing dropped, and funny thing is, I was setting a playlist for like tracks I'm going to react to during this week, and funny thing is
Wow, they hate it. This stinks!
We like you when you're miserable.
Later.
just added this the official audio of this in that album so I can react to it today during this week. But then I found out that he's releasing a music video to this track. So then I said, let me might just wait a second for this music video to drop before I react to it. But yo, it's been a long wait for Starboy to actually drop a music video. So that man's been like scarce a bit. I would say he's been a bit scarce with like music videos. The last music video he dropped was In My Feelings with Jody Man as well. And before that, there was another music video, but it was way too many months long lost ago, my bro. Way too long lost. And another thing I want to just say before I get into this, be loyal to your barber, XA. Never cheat on your barber. You can cheat on your woman, I don't care, but never cheat on your barber. Or you're gonna end up like me. I've been wearing this beanie this whole entire year. The whole of last year. Because of a fucking barber that fucked up my hair. I had the most amazing curls you could ever see in your whole entire life. I worked so hard to perfect each curl, my bro. I know I'm sounding like a woman busy going on about my hair, but I'm serious, my bro. Never cheat on your barber, or you're gonna go to that one wrong barber that's gonna fuck your hair up so badly that you're gonna not even want to show your hair again, my bro. Or not want to trust any other barbers again. And that's what happened with Miko. Now my hair is completely fucked, utterly, entirely fucked.
You better learn that.
My curls aren't even curling anymore, my bro. It looks like barbed wire now, my bro. Naganya. But yeah, we got no one other than Starboy Freaks and Jody Man. I want to know something, I saw this music video. My bad, I checked out the music video already. I couldn't wait to check it out with you guys. I had to check the the visuals out, because you know when Rhys Rowans hops onto a music video, you know the visuals are going to be tremendously fucking good. His visuals are always like eye-catching good, bro. It's like, to me, it's better than whoever did Junior King's music video. Rest in peace to Junior. I'm not speaking bad about you. I'm just saying. So don't attack me if who's ever watching this. But yeah, this other guy that was in here, why is he not in here? The guy that was on the official audio for this track, it's out on the topic of Jody Man. I wonder why is that man not in the video, or his verse is not in the video. Fuck knows. I wouldn't know. I'm not the manager or the person behind this track or whoever, but wait. I'm just here to react. I'm just here to do the reaction. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
Same time.
Same time.
Jody man.
Ooh,
Same time.
that core, bruh. That core. I'm not a core person, like a deep core person, yeah. I don't know cars like exactly their names and stuff, ne? But I know a few names of a few cars if I see them. But a lot of cars I don't know their names or shit when I see them, even though they're like known by everybody, and everybody knows this car's name or knows what horsepower this car is and all this, the doohickeys and all the shiny things in the engine.
Whoa! He's got one of those big shiny things with a lot of tubes and curly coils coming out of it, with a red doohickey. Vin, he's got one of those fancy thingamajiggers.
That's the real deal. But it's not the car you drive. It's the driver who's driving the car that's doing the driving.
And all that, me, I don't know focus. So I just see, nah, this cars look stanched out this season, nah. Then I just know it's nah. But I'll wait. I don't know what Golf this is. I think it's a Golf 7, but this Golf looks nar. This Golf looks nar.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Dollar in die beats in.
Oh yeah.
Kom sterk hoor dit.
Oh yeah.
Same time.
Oh yeah.
Worry.
Oh yeah.
Jy weer my op soos 'n nommer in die mangen, maar my kiel is hard soos die krag in jou spanning.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Jy kon vir 'n kroon, maar dis fokol in die panning.
Yo. I'm working myself up like a number in the mang. Like he's building himself high, like you will build yourself up as a number to get to that rank, to that top rank. Now he is basically referring to the industry, and he's like his ladder basically is referring to his ladder as like how people like jog into becoming a number and stuff. He's jogging to the top, bro. He's going his way to the top. Oh wait.
Same time. Worry.
Yes, ja.
Jy weer my op soos 'n nommer in die mangen, maar my kiel is hard soos die krag in jou spanning. Jy kon vir 'n kroon, maar dis
Yo, mama, yo, hard soos die krag in jou spanning. Sis.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Nah, that is hard. And we just got into this thing with bars, my bro.
fokol in die panning. Roos met my top down, low in 'n versam met top tier van geboorte af. As ek slide van meer as 10 skote af. Julle koop en ek rook van my bome af. Ek ken min as die
Oh, you guys are buying weed. You guys are buying your smoke and all of that. But me, I'm smoking from what I'm growing. Hey, that's a boss line that, my bro, to be growing your own weed and smoking your own shit. Because you know a lot of the Owens that you buy your weed from there, especially with joints, especially with joints, majority of the people you buy joints from lace that shit, bro. So it's better to smoke your own shit, my bro. That's when you know you're safe, my bro. You 100% safe.
net skool staf. My gal groot verwag, is okay van ons praat.
Jy's dom as jy dink dat skool is tough.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
That is facts that, my bro. That's facts that. Because a lot of people, a lot of teenagers, even me as a teenager, when I was in high school, I used to complain about how hard high school is and all of that, and how I couldn't wait to get out of school and couldn't wait to become a grown-up and to like experience the adult life and all of that. But when I got out of school and like reality hit me, ne? And then I'm like, yo, I was actually glad that I was in school and like taken care of by my Tani and all of that, and by my family and shit during school. Because when you leave school, bro, it's you and yourself. It's not your parents that's going to be there. It must support you and all of that. Because you out of school now. Now you must do what they were doing for you. Now you must take care of yourself and take care of them. So yeah, my bro, it's hard out there once you leave school. So yeah, if you in school watching this, stay in school and work hard, work extra super hard, harder than any of your friends. Make sure that you pass matric. Make sure that you pass matric.
Voor 5, ik klom dreigementen, maar niemand wil slide.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Te veel Draco mentalities, maar niemand wil slide. Too many people are talking about Glocks and have that gun mentality and like gangster mentality, but can't slide. When it comes to they must do like something that a gangster must do, ne, a drive-by, they're too scared to do it. That's why I voiced in one of my tracks, ne. What was it? I don't associate with Owens who brag about Glocks they know they never shot. And that's facts, my bro. That's facts.
Zie je surprise, branden van die babies by die Kenny organize. Al die kroons kon peil soos so groot, en kamer is 'n beats en hy kak gaan nie oorkom. Maak iets sonder vuiste, ek lang.
Come as a bitch, it's gonna come like an oorlog. That means war. So come as a bitch is gonna come back like a war. It means it's gonna come hard onto you, my bro. Come is gonna come and it's gonna hit you hard, my bro. Just. Come is not something you wanna play with, my bro.
Pas on 'n place te my bro 'n bord en hy kyk en weer my op soos 'n nommer in die mangen. Maar my kiel is hard soos die krag in jou span en jy kon vir 'n kroon, maar daar's fokkel in die pannen. Soos met my top down low en effe saam met top stier van geboorte af. As ek slide gaan na meer as 10 skote af. Jy koop en ek rook van my bome af. Jy ken min as jy dink net skool is staf. My gun groot verwag.
Jy maak 'n mistake as jy dink net.
Yes, Jody man now, my bro. Not gonna lie, the Starboy Freaks, I really fuck with you. I fuck with you a lot, ne. You one of my favorite artists coming up in this industry, like at the moment and shit, ne. But Jody man, my bro, this is like my top 3 of favorite artists coming up at the moment, my bro. My top 3 of my favorite artists coming up in this moment, bro. So when I hear Jody man, my bro, I have to give it a pause because you know I'm a huge Jody fan, so I have to hear how Jody's gonna spaz and hear, my bro. Because if you guys heard this track already, you know Jody spazzes on this shit, my bro. Oh, okay. You guys ready? Because I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Oh, well, let's get into it.
Coole stuff, longe opbreek, die way ons net die koole paf. Sy fok met my stem, sy sê met so die klingend so.
Pause, let's go back.
Koop en ek rook van my bome af. Jy ken min as jy dink net skool is staf. My gun groot verwag.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Jy maak 'n mistake as jy dink net skool is staf. Longe opbreek, die way ons net die koole paf. Sy fok met my stem, sy sê met so die klingend so taf.
God damn. No useful words there, my bro. The song speaks for itself. The verse speaks for itself, my bro. No need for any breakdown. The verse speaks for itself.
Pas my die bim, jy weet mos dat ek rook jy kak. Pas my hy greens en nou stay vas my.
Pas my die bim, sy weet dat ek rook jy kak. Don't give this man a vape, my bro. You know he doesn't smoke on that electronic USB shit, my bro. Give him a pipe, my bro, or blunt, and you know he's gonna rock up there, my bro.
Net aan jou twak, fresh op die scene, security is gestes in my sak. Ek is 'n masjien, ek werk dan saam met krag en 'n plak. Sy los my op sien, sy wys my dat haar WhatsApp is.
Damn! Sy weet ek's 'n masjien, ek rap met krag en 'n plak. Sus.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Because you know a machine and he's krag to work. So he's saying that he's got energy, he's got that stamina and all of that. He's rapping and working like a machine, my bro, because he's continuously working. You know, a machine can't sleep most because it's a machine. So he's basically saying that he's always up working. He's never lazy and all of that. He's got enough energy and enough krag to put in that 24/7 work like a robot, my bro, like a machine. Sus.
Kyk, pas my greens en nou stay vast my net aan jou twak. Fresh op die scene, security is gestes in my sak. Ek is 'n masjien, ek werk dan saam met krag en 'n plak. Sy los my op sien, sy wys my dat haar WhatsApp is af. Where have you been? Die ligte van die strate is af.
What a bitch though. What a bitch though. To say that, to leave you on scene and tell you that the WhatsApp is off. What a bitch though. What a bitch. Those are the type of women that you don't need to associate yourself with, my bro. Women that don't actually put in the time to want to speak to you or want to get to know you, even though that they claim they smoke you and all of that. Those aren't women that are worth chasing or women that are worth even like associating with. Oh, you guys, look what we got in the can. We got some water, some purified water. It's nothing like water, go.
Are you high? What it look like, nigga?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yo, you know when I'm drinking this water, né, and then I'm like seeing on the news and shit that there's a drought and all of that. I just look at my water and I'm like, damn, I'm glad I'm not those kids in Africa, I say. Not being racist. No racist. No racist shit. I'm just dumb. I'm just a dumb guy.
And that's the double truth, Ruth.
Kyk, pas my greens en nou stay vast my net aan jou twak. Fresh op die scene, security is gestes in my sak. Ek is 'n masjien, ek werk dan saam met krag en 'n plak. Sy los my op sien, sy wys my dat haar WhatsApp is af. Where have you been? Die ligte van die strate is af. Ek wil ook nie lag, ek hou my ego binne in my kas. Die rappers is sag, die rap kan maar dat jy het te krag. Jy doen dit vir clout, jy smaak dit saam met broers en pas. My bene het koud.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Nah, now this man is like preaching shit now, me bro. Now Jody Man is out of the picture now, ne. Now it's Jody Man, the preacher, that came into the mix now. Okay, now we got that preacher Jody Man is busy wasting the varied shit here, saying shit that you guys must listen now, man. Listen now, listen. Listen carefully, ek sê.
Kyk, pas my greens en nou stay vast my net aan jou twak. Fresh op die scene, security is gestes in my sak. Ek is 'n masjien, ek werk dan saam met krag en 'n plak. Sy los my op sien, sy wys my dat haar WhatsApp is af. Where have you been? Die ligte van die strate is af. Ek wil ook nie lag, ek hou my ego binne in my kas. Die rappers is sag, die rap kan maar dat jy het te krag. Jy doen dit vir clout, jy smaak dit saam met.
Yo, ek hou my ego binne my kas. That means like if I'm speaking right, ne, it means like when he's left the house or when he's doing something, ne, he leaves his ego by the house because he knows outside that's not going to like work. That ego that you have of yourself, that big ego that you have of yourself, keep that shit in your house, my bro. Don't let that ego part of your brain, ne, that makes you think that nah, you're the best or nah, you're better than this person, all that blah blah blah. Don't let that ego like fuck with your image outside, me bro. Like with your image and your status, me bro. Like it's okay to have an ego, ne, but don't let your ego run you. It's okay to have an ego, but don't let your ego run you and overrun your character. Basically what I'm saying.
Let
me just touch up onto that thing, my bro. Let me just touch up on that thing. A lot of bras, ne, are going to befriend you or like associate with you or mingle with you and shit because they want the fame that you have or like they want to be in the spotlight and stuff. That's why majority of the Owens that you like speak to and stuff, when you become a famous person or become like known in like in where you're in your city and shit, now when you become known in your city,
It's facts! It's facts!
then a lot of bras are gonna fake love you and like fake support you and all of that and want to become your bra and all of that just so they can be in the spotlight and make their name for themselves. And once they make that name for themselves, they're not going to like care about you like they used to or not going to support you like they used to and all of that. You know what I mean, man?
I'm gonna really let him have it. Show him my stuff. Give that man everything I got.
Pause.
Pause? Pause what?
You said something gay, so you gotta say no homo, or else you the homo.
What did I say gay?
You said you...
And a lot of bras are gonna fake love you and like care about you.
Who's gonna give this dude everything you got, no homo?
That's not gay. I said I was gonna give the man everything I got.
Pause, granddad. If it sound gay, it's gay. And you gotta say no homo. How I know you're not a homo, granddad, if you don't say no homo?
People are very fake in this industry, co. That's one thing I can face you. People are fake in this industry, and not just the industry, but in the city, in this whole world, there's a lot of people that's fake. So watch out who you associate with and who you let into your circle and who you associate yourself with and who you allow to see yourself.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Just like that note, just like that kop toe.
My broers hier so ken aan die kant. Ek soek net die kroon. Ek soek 'n miljoen in my account. Ek is aan
Oh
die
yes.
kant. Klompie fans wat ons net surround.
Oh yes. Ek soek net 'n miljoen in my account. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Dollar entertainment, you know mos my bro. It's dollar entertainment. They just want dollars. They want your moolah. Like young moolah baby. They just want moolah.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh yeah. Afvat.
Nommer in die mangen, maar my kiel is hard soos die krag in jou spannen. Julle poon vir 'n kroon, maar dis fokkel in die pannen. Cruise met my top down, low en effe saam met top tier van geboorte af. Ek slide gaan na meer as 10 skote af. Julle koop en ek rook van my bome af. Ek ken min as jy dink net skool is staf. Met
Okay. Here, Jody man and Starboy Freaks. I'm just a little disappointed though that other guy that was in the official audio isn't in this music video, or his verse isn't in this music video, which is just a slight bit disappointing, XA. But it's fine, man. It's fine. This was definitely a banger for the books. I must admit that. This is a summertime certified banger for the books. I must admit that. I'm going to leave the official link of this in my description below for all you fans and want to check this out and want to put this into their playlist. This thing just dropped. The music video of this just dropped recently today. So y'all give it a view, give it a like, give Jody Man a subscribe somewhere if you haven't already, and subscribe to this channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this reaction and enjoy this track, because we come in along with way more bangers. So turn those notifications on for all these bangers that's about to drop, because I don't think that any of you are ready for this shit, and I don't think none of you are going to be ready for this shit. But yeah, I hope and pray that Jody Man releases his EP soon, bro. Hard crack. I've been waiting for this EP to drop, me, bro. Since I saw the post of him that he made of this track, of this EP, I've been waiting patiently. And fucking Starboy Freaks and Cloud, me, bro. When are you gonna release your album?
Whoa.
No more saying cuss words, guys. It's inappropriate and violent.
Bro, I've been waiting forever for Trench Kids to do a reaction on Trench Kids, but like I see that like disappeared or something, my bro. Like disappeared off the verge of the earth sphere, bro. Like where is that album, bro? I've been looking for it. I need to react to that album, bro. Please release it. If you're watching the Starboy, please release that album. But yeah, with enough rambling, I just want to give another shout out to Reese Rowan. Everybody that wants visuals out or wants a music video out or a photo shoot or anything related to photography or videography, please hit up Reese Rowans. This man to me is like my favorite photographer in the game. His visuals are on point and everything about his visuals and everything about his work is just amazing, my bro. This man knows without like studying photography and out going all that extra lengths to go learn and go study all the shit. He's learned that shit by himself, and I fought to that. And he's good at what he does. He's good at photography work. So respect Reese Rowans for shooting this video, and respect to Jody Man and Starboy Freaks for giving us a music video to this track. But yeah, that was another For the Books reaction to Dito the Goat. Until next time, until we see each other next time.
Dis vir 'n broodie wat ek verloor het in die industrie. Sy sal weer 'n broer soos hy sê man. Maar wat? Hy was spesiaal. Dis my laaste respek. As er nog op de volgenaren, dit is voor ons die Ooskaapse grootste. Aard is geverloor, ek raak bekommer, ek wonder wat hoe die vader nou in stoor. Ek is kwaad vir die manier hy ons verlaat, ek is noors dra my hart op 'n slief, ek hou dit op, ek pretend nie. Regardless ons asseblief sal ek ooit dood te boek wensie.
Joe Scott in the shit.
Ek dink sy sien nie, ek is 'n dief. Ek het haar hart, ek wil het vat, ek wil net kies. Sy kry feelings, sy wil net kies. Sy in my hart, sy wil het vat, sy wil net vlieg. Ek moet aan my dag kon as my kijk dans. Aan jou moves as pakka niet brand. Ek weet ek drank te veel op. Die connection kan ek voelen zo'n zoen.